Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's talk about Capricorn horoscope 2018. Let's talk about financial matter of Capricorn for this year. The position in your horoscope has been indicated very positive for your financial matter in the whole year. There is no negative any indication has been in your horoscope. Property matters. January is very negative for your property matters. April is very positive for your property matters. May is very positive for your property matters. In this month, you may have purchase, sales, or construct a new property. Children, uh, educations, and your love affairs. The whole year is very positive for your children, your love affairs, and your educations. You may have excel in this field. Your health, the whole year is very careful about your health, but December, the month is very positive for your health. If you may suffer from chronic disease, you may go better in the month of December. Litigation matters, there is no any big chances of litigations face in this years, and don't be panic in this year. Marriage matters, uh, whole years, that the mixed result about your marriage or starting a new relationship. January is negative for the marriage or starting a new relationship. April is positive for your relationship. June is positive for your relationship. September is very negative for your relationship or marriage relationship or starting a new relationship. I also mentioned here about starting a business or a partnership. January is negative, April is positive, June is positive, September is very negative. Please be careful in negative month. Accident matters taken in this year, but I also mentioned the month January and August is very negative for accidents has taken in the horoscope. Foreign travel oblique immigration. February is very positive for foreign travel. March is negative. July is negative. August is positive. September is negative. October is positive. November is negative. In this month, you may be careful about immigration and foreign travel or foreign contract. Please be careful. Job, career, promotion. In this year, the whole year is very positive, except some month. I also mentioned the positive month. First of all, March is very positive. September, October, November. This month are very positive, and in this month you may got promotion, upgradation, and I also mentioned the negative month, which is for your career. May, May and July. These 2 months is very negative for your